MSI Modern 14 C7M. Processor, Ryzen 5 7530U. Graphic, AMD Radeon graphics. Graphic memory 14JK, AMD Radeon graphics. Chipset, integrated SoC. Storage 512GB NVMe PCIe Gen 3x4 SSD with DRAM. In addition, the MSI Modern 14 C7M integrates Wi-Fi 6E AX, 2x2, Bluetooth 5, HDMI 2.1, 4K at 60Hz, headphone, mic combo audio, 2 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.2, Gen 2, and 1 USB 3.2 Type-C, Gen 2, as well as a micro SD card reader. Memory, Onboard DDR IV 8GB, 3200 MHz. (1.4 kilograms) and a height of 19.35 millimeters, the ultra-light and ultra-slim. Fully flat 180 degrees openable, the new MSI Modern 14 C7M adopts a robust Classis black or urban silver design due to its compliance with the MIL STD810G military resistance standard. Its display is entrusted to a 14-inch IPS Full HD 1920x1080 anti-glare screen. .720p HD webcam with microphone. There is also a chiclet keyboard backlit in white, 1.5mm stroke. The brand also launches its big brother MSI Modern 15 B7M in a more comfortable format, allowing it to accommodate on the right of the chiclet keyboard a numeric keypad. This is especially suited to graphic designers and developers for editing videos and other media, as well as for gamers who demand a high graphic performance. Connectivity is another vital element to ensure that you can complete any online tasks quickly and efficiently. Extraordinary wireless experience. The latest Wi-Fi 6E delivers stunning speed while keeping the network smooth and stable even when sharing the network with numerous users. With its outstanding throughput and low latency, you can always enjoy smooth streaming of online videos or transfer large files in an instant. Military-grade durability. To ensure the best of the best, the product meets the MIL STD810G military standard for reliability and durability. MSI always strives for professionalism with world-leading technology.